Hello guys, today we will learn about display sponsor ad. So if you are a new seller, this one is not for you because first you need to go to your automatic advertising, then shift to manual advertising. Display sponsor ad is only for the sellers who is struggling to get sales and who is right now between 20 to 25 orders. So if you are getting less than 20 or 25 orders per day, display sponsor ad is not an option for you. You need to go to your sponsor product advertising. So let's dig in and check how you can start your display sponsor ad, and I will show you in Amazon how your advertising is going to look when you start your display sponsor ad. So let's first go in amazon.in and check what is a display ad. Okay, so first we will go in amazon.in. Search for any category you want. So if you can see here, first three images, these are display images. If you scroll down, if you can check again, this is a display ad. And if you scroll down, or if you open any random product, in the top, as you can see, this is a display ad. So basically in display, you can sponsor your product, multiple products at a time. You can use a video for display, and this is the main display ad where any customer who is visiting any product. Okay, so in the top, Amazon displays a advertise, which is display advertise. Okay, and if you scroll down, as you can check again here, it is a display ad, and if you scroll down, this is similar brands on Amazon. So this is a brand advertising. So this is a display. So right now in this video, we are learning display advertising. So now let's check how you can start your display advertising. So for that, you need to go to your Amazon Seller Central homepage. Click on this three-line advertising and click on campaign manager. So the starting process is the same. Now you can click on create campaign. So earlier we used to select sponsor product, and in sponsor product we had automatic and manual option, keyword targeting and product targeting. Now we will jump directly to the third one, which is sponsored display. So now click on sponsored display. So to start a sponsored display ad, brand registry is important. So without brand enrollment, you cannot start your sponsored display. So the first one is campaign name. So you can use your template or you can name it randomly according to you. Select the starting date, run for at least 15 days. Country would be India. Minimum budget. So minimum budget 50 rupees is important. So budget must be at least 50 rupees. So 50 rupees is the least. Right now I am selecting 1000 rupees. If you scroll down, again Amazon will ask you for my ad group name, so I will copy my campaign name and paste here. Bidding optimization. So in our regular advertising in sponsor product, we used to get bidding optimization option. If you check over here, it is completely different. So here in bidding optimization, first one is optimize to reach. So this is to reach maximum audience to maximum reaches. So if you select optimization for reach, that means you want your product to reach maximum of the targeted audience. Second one is optimize for page visit. That means you want more and more clicks to customer, more likely to click. So here you want more customer to click on your product. Third one is optimizing for conversion. That means we will optimize your bid for higher conversion rate. So this is for sale, pure sale. So I would suggest you should go with optimization for page visit, as if customer is visiting your page, then chances of getting order is quite high. You can go, if you are struggling with sale and you want to get definite result, you want to get 100% result, then you can select optimization for conversion. So right now I'm selecting for page visit. If I scroll down, now here Amazon is asking me for two formats. First one is image format, second one is video format. As we saw in amazon.in, video ad was also there and images ad were also there. So you can select up to you. If you have a attractive video, you have made a video, so always go with a video advertising, because video advertising gets more interaction with your customer, and images is less interactive with the customer. So if you have a proper video, always go with a video advertising. Right now I am selecting with image. Now here Amazon is asking me for the product to advertise. So again, you need to go to your business report and select top 3 or 5 products which you want to select. So again, open a new tab, open Seller Central India, this 3 line, reports and business report. Detail sales and traffic page by parent item. Now copy this ASIN and paste over here. So right now I'm selecting just top 3 products. You can select up to top 7 or top 5 products. After adding products, scroll down. Now it will ask you for targeting. So contextual targeting or audience targeting. So this is very much important. Contexting. So if you remember, again I will go in amazon.in. I will select the same category. If I open any product, random product, so at the top, this one is a contextual advertising where product is not that much visible, but context is visible. And another one is audiences. So here you have to select your audience according to your advertising, right? So how this will work? So first we will check context targeting. So if you scroll down, you will get first of all suggested, and there is an option called search, and there is an option called individual products. So in context targeting, in category, in which category you want to target your product. So here you have to decide your category. So in which category you want your product display to show. So here, as you can check, categories: indoor insect and pest control, floor cleaner, hair removal, fabric. So here you have to select your product, your brand, whichever the category or the random product which you have selected. For example, if I've selected these 3 products, so out of these 3 products, top 2 products are of home cleaning, floor cleaning, and the third one is perfume. So I will just remove that thing. So now both of my products are from a same category. So always select a product with the same category over here. And if you scroll down, so now you have to select which category you want to advertise your product. So I will select top 2 now. Here you have to go with the suggested option, because you don't know what are the subcategories in that particular category. So it's better to start with Amazon suggestion, and after that we can select individually. After scrolling down, now Amazon will show you the creative. Which type of creative Amazon is going to advertise. Okay, so the first one is logo. So if you want to advertise your logo, so you have to tick mark logo. So as you can see, the logo came over here. If I untick this, the logo will go away. After that, headline. So if you want the title to be also advertised with the product, you can select headline, or you can remove that thing. Third one is image. So here Amazon will show you different ad previews also. How? So if you can check, for the first one is Amazon product page right. So on the right hand side of the product page, this is the way your product is going to be displayed. Amazon product page middle. So this is the ad preview. So there are more than 10 ad reviews. So this is how your product is going to look. If you scroll down and you have to select launch campaign. So this is how you create your display advertising. So basically display advertising is a upper hand of advertising, where you are not just advertising a single product. Here you are advertising that particular category. So this will definitely help you grow your business, but please make sure while you are running a display advertising, please don't pause your sponsor product advertising. If any of the advertising which is giving you good result, never pause that advertising, because there might be a chance that your sale might drop all of a sudden. So the advertising which is giving you good result, always make sure that advertising is live on Amazon, even though it's a automatic advertising or a manual advertising. And when you start with display advertising, please make sure you don't pause your automatic or manual advertising. So this is the way you start your display advertising. So make sure after reaching 30-35 orders per day, you can switch to display advertising as well, and you can start your display advertising.